to make a move to a town that's right for me.
Immediate and complete reports of local blood and guts.
What happened was true. The most bizarre and brutal series of crimes
Hello everyone. Yeah, I'm in a fucking bathroom again. But that's just because of good things. Let me share that with you. And then I got a few just little comments to make and we're gonna go on to this whatever this is. So the good news is obviously, you know, like I've been in a place. So yeah, so I've been moving a lot of furniture around, getting the recording space ready and stuff, and yeah, that's why we're in the can. So this video features probably the dryer and a dog that just does not stop pacing across the floor. So first thing, I have to just comment on something. Stop using generative AI to make your thumbnails for your hit pieces on me. Okay, I provide so much intentionally for people to use. Like, there's no way you don't see it. Only like one person used the video of me eating dog treats and rubbing my nipples. How that is not used more, I don't know. Puppy. But you know, like, that's stupid. That's terrible for the planet what you're doing, just to try to be like, well, we gotta make him look more ugly. Motherfucker, I just got off work. My fingers right now are so, look at my cuticles and shit, are so fucked up. They look like Frankenstein's monster's foreskin. Like, I need some lotion and a nap. But first, we're gonna watch some awful shit. So, that was pretty much it. So what we got on our hands today is a video from an alleged Haitian gang in Haiti. You know, where Haitian people are from. And they also have gangs there. Pretty much like everywhere. Except, you know, this is one of the nations, kind of like Brazil, where they're just like, you know, a machete is given to you. Okay, so it's kind of like going, it's kind of like that old joke about going to like a Texas liquor store. You get a gun every time you buy something. They just give you a machete at birth in those places. And it's not for any particular reason other than survival and just in case you need to just, you know, do whatever the hell's going on here. I presume it's here. And it's really bad. I skimmed it a bit, and it was horrible. So I think we're going to have a lot of fun with that. So if you like things like this, or you want really serious, in-depth documentaries too, because we have a weird duality here on this channel. Sometimes there's skits and music. Sometimes I just get on and talk about a social issue. My point is you should hit subscribe and check all that out. Hit the bell icon. You're clearly interested. That's why you're here. If you haven't done it already, fucking do it. That wasn't a threat. It was to appease your kinks, you fucking freak. Alright, so I don't know further context. Okay, I'm almost done. You go chill. Okay, so the title of the video is a description of the video, so we're not doing all that. So we're just gonna actually, like, this one might be a shorter video. Like, I've just been itching to get on camera again. It's been a while. I'm always having some sort of hardware issue, but we're working on it. I got a new tripod, there's a new ring light, there's lots of stuff, and streaming. I haven't streamed in 2 years on camera. Got big stuff. Sorry about all the self-promo. I have a lot of excitement lately. It's been good stuff. But, something witty, corpy, plague mothy, presto, transition. It didn't work. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let me see if I can look a little just for a second. Oh, those are some really racist comments, sorry. Love Gore sites, great people. Well, let's dive into this hot mess. How long has it been? That's what she said. Actually, when I do that like romance Q&A thing or like a big Q&A video, I gotta add in some shit that people have just said to me and asked me now that they know I've, you know, been single. It's fucking hilarious. So we got just under 2 minutes here. The first frame is already so cartoonishly bad. It is literally a flayed severed head in a bucket. Why do you look like that, dog? Is that a big rock? Alright, we gotta get in here. Alright, 3, 2, and 1. Really? Okay, so here's the critical commentary. Head bucket rock. Oh my god, that they chopped that man up. That's horrid and very vivid. Oh, they're washing the severed head. Oh wow, those get clean really quick. Why'd they do that? Oh my god, stop. The elasticity is killing me. Blah, blah, blah. The laughter's contagious. Don't look at me like that. What are we doing? What are we doing here? You know, these guys are just having a good time. I mean, I can't say I agree with what's going on, but they're having a good old time. Like, they sound like fun. Like, I want to smoke out with these guys, kinda. Don't know what you're saying, but yeah. I'm not gonna lie to you, though. I think I'm too white for this cookout. Like, I'm invited to plenty of cookouts, but this... I don't know what people be eating. But this is more than salt and pepper. It doesn't even look real. Like, the level... Like, all the teeth intact. He is doing... He's pretending to get bit. Is that... Is this fake? No, it can't. No, it's not. Okay, it's over. That felt like it ran for far too long. And I mean far too long. What am I watching? Look. But going back to what I originally said when I opened this video, my posture is destroyed right now. I'm like, man, you could use that one. You could use that one. Okay, but like, using AI and all this shit, like, don't make things up. I give people plenty of things to hate me about. Yeah, that's cool, I'm insensitive. But I'm telling you now, laughter is contagious. And it is a fantastic, joyous thing. And I can't bring the dismembered guy back to life. And who knows what that guy did. That's not my business. See, that's your problem. You mind your business. And it's dangerous not to mind your business. Because, what the fuck, man? You'll end up with a bunch of guys smacking your severed head in a bucket like that and going like it's a booty and just like with the teeth. I can't. And then he kind of like put his fingers there to like pretend like yeah, but he's like ah! Like these guys seem like they're a lot of fun. Like fuck you. I mean they're not doing that to me. I didn't say I agree with what they're doing. They just seem like they'd be fun. Like I want to have a couple of beers with these guys. I'm a fucking great influence, but no, I mean, I want to have a beer with them, like, I don't even really fuck with beer. Like, that was a whole ass vibe. It was really, really fucking gross, but it was a vibe. And you can't say you've never got down with a gross ass vibe. Look, man, and I say man because there is a good amount of ladies that watch me, and of course, you know, non-gender conforming people and non-binary folks. That's seldom said for me, sorry. Hippie. Anyway, but there are a lot of guys out there, and you're like, man, this is. You understand? Like, do you understand what I'm getting at? If you don't, too bad. Look, man, like I just work here. I do things, and I can't believe the amazing documentaries that I'm putting forward after making this video. It's funny. It's funny because this video is so distasteful and so bad. I love you guys so much. This is amazing. My life is fucking great. You know that? Oh, my vibrators went off my ass. What the fuck is that? Reddit? Yeah, sometimes I like to make sure someone puts up a thread and then I just pop that baby right in. Turn the vibration on. I'm just like... Oh. All fucking day just fucking... autoerotic asphyxiating myself in the fucking closet in here. Oh my god. Oh, I just said my name in vain. Alright, I ran this video too long. Like, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. I don't even know what the fuck I just watched. It was so bad that it hit good. Like, that was old times feel. Like, that was some good stuff. We need to look more into this stuff. There's so much bad stuff happening in the world, and I'm not really thrilled for the greater part of that. But hey, for the channel, I can't stop the bad things from happening. I can't. I make content, and people seem to think that, I don't know, I'm some sort of demon. But like, yeah, like, yeah, we're here. But if you like this video, you know, do the usual YouTube stuff, please. But I got premium content you can go to, too. I need to really get back on the horse of actually making the exclusive releases. But, you know, job, family, death, and, like, sad woes. Yeah, like, I really want to get back in the flow of doing just, like, almost daily content like this, and then just releasing the documentaries, like, nice and slow. That way it's like, we pull the coffee very slow. We pull it from the beans. We pull the quality from the beans of Gore. Alright, the dog's wanted my attention. I gotta end this. I don't even remember what the fuck I said before the last cut. You know what, though? I love you all dearly. Oh yeah, premium content. Premium content, guys. Like, that's there. And uncensored content, too. And all that fun stuff. I do quite a bit of stuff. But yeah, I love you all dearly. I hope I didn't speak too low in half of it and really loud in the rest. But, you know, some of us should actually be prescribed, like, Adderall or something. But we don't get that. So fuck, man. Fuck me. Ow. Oh yeah, I love you all dearly, and if it bleeds, it leads. Yeah. Like that got me kind of like, I don't want to go to that kind of party, but shit, get some high energy in my life. Good stuff. See ya.